Have you been experiencing some pain and really just not sure what to do about it? Believe it or not, yoga and movement can actually support you when you're dealing with injuries. I'm Krista Oakes, and I am a yoga and meditation instructor. I am a speaker and an author, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday. And today's tip is about how to move your body even when you're dealing with injuries. Another real common injury that my students will share with me has to do with the rotator cuff. And believe it or not, when you show up regularly for yoga consistently, your rotator cuff will get better. And that's because you're lengthening, creating space and movement and blood flow to the arm. People will say to me, well, I can't do yoga because I can't lift my arm above my head. Guess what? You just lift the arm as high as you can, but that's better than not moving it at all. When we do things like downward facing dog and we do other different stretches, all seated, all with the chair or standing, it really does help. It might take time. I'm not suggesting that with 1 or 2 classes you're going to feel better, but I am suggesting that with consistency you can feel better. Not to mention the fact that you're keeping the rest of your body feeling better. Because one part of the body is injured, we don't want the rest of the body to fall apart. So it's important to show up for yourself and move and do the best that you can. Make sure you have the doctor's permission, but more than likely they're going to tell you you are perfectly fine to do chair yoga with modifications. If you're dealing with shoulder injury, show up for yourself, whether that's at home or come take a class with me. It will help you feel better. I hope you share this with a friend who might also be struggling. I hope I get to see you and you recognize the power in movement and breath. Namaste.